Hey guys, welcome back to the Perfect Storm channel. It's Monday, April 3rd, 2023. First trading day in April. We're going to take a look at the Astro Excel intra-week trend indication here and the spike points on the blue line, which are going to give us some time points. You can see coming in from last night, we had this uptrend here on the green line on the Astro Excel. Market followed. It peaked out here where the green and blue line peaked. Got a little bit of a corrective move. Now we're rallying back, retesting that high. But we've got downward pressure through today until we bottom out here at about 2020 tonight. And then we start to move up. Into Tuesday at 4 a.m. we peak out again, and then the trend turns back down until Wednesday the 5th around 7:50 in the AM. And then we push up on the green line into Thursday at about till about 9 a.m. and then we're down into the evening till around 21:45. Then we basically flatline through Friday. We've got important spike peaks on the blue line where we're pushing the 20 lines, which we haven't seen a lot of that lately. That should give us some good turning points, with the first being at 12:51 today. The next one will be at the close at 16:44. Then as we get into the evening at 2200 tonight. Tomorrow we have a spike high point at 6:42. Moving down to a low at 10:15, and then another high late in the day at 16:55. Then a big spike low in the evening around 22:30 time period. And then we move through Wednesday, and then we have a spike high late in the day at 20:30 in the evening. And then at 2:30 a.m. on Thursday the 6th, we get the spike low right around the European Open. Then we've got this high at 11:30 in the AM on Thursday, and then the last important spike for the week will be at 1900 on Thursday evening, and then nothing on Friday. So there's your Astro Excel trend forecast for the week.